All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I just want to review my YouTube portfolio, FSPGX in more detail on why I keep buying and how much I've increased each week now, and also some of the other buys. So let's go into Celsius. We have $1,500 invested in right now, 2.9% of the portfolio. I'm maintaining an under 5 to 7% allocation in any individual stock, which is why you will see FSPGX is much higher percentage of the portfolio, which is mainly technology stocks. Then Nike, we have $2,000 in, around $74. We were up 5%. We're going to continue to reinvest the dividends, hold long term. BABA, we're going to start continuing to add. We're just waiting for this price. Alerts are set below $82 to start dollar cost averaging in. Google, we want to buy more, but it's $174 compared to our $149. If I can get it for $5, $6 cheaper, I will continue to add. Starbucks, $1,000 invested. As you can see, look at my asset allocations. They're all under 5 to 7%, which is my target goal. Home Depot, I want to increase this up 31%. We're going to start dollar cost averaging in this. We bought around $327 a share. It's at $431, so that would have been nice to buy some more, but we didn't. Tesla, $500 in. It's up 152%. Just $500 invested. We're up already $761. This position is worth $1,261 now, which is pretty impressive. And then just looking at the account activity, this year we were up 27%, which is great. So we're up $10,000 on it. Let's break down FSPGX and why I think that this is so important to have in your portfolio. It's low cost, it's very high growth, and it's very volatile. All right, so if you can bear with me for 2 minutes, we're going to talk about Fidelity Large Cap Growth Index Fund. Right now, it's currently trading at $40.39. I currently buy $500 every single week into this fund, and when I have remaining funds, I continue to buy more. That's how confident I am with this long term, and I'm going to show you why. So now you look, it's large growth. It has this expense ratio of 0.035%. which is very minimal when you look at the fees. I just want to show you really quick. Look at the fees and distributions. For every $1,000 you have invested, it only costs you 35 cents. For me, this is a no-brainer, especially when I look at the composition of this fund. Look at it, 48% is in tech stocks. And you will notice when we look at this large growth, what it is invested in, you will notice it is in some of my YouTube portfolio. So as you can see, these are the top 10 holdings right here, 59% equals just these top 10 companies. You have Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Meta, Google, AVGO, Tesla, and LLY. Now, as you can see, I have Tesla in my portfolio only at 2%, but because FSPGX is such a large portion of my portfolio, I only want Tesla to be 5% because I have to account for this as well. I'm getting already 2.52% in FSPGX. I don't want Tesla to be, 10% allocation of my portfolio because I got to factor in FSPGX as well. And I also love the companies that are within it. You have Broadcom at 2.8% and Eli Lilly. I plan on buying for next year, 2025, some Eli Lilly and Broadcom and adding to my Google position. Those are the three companies that I want to get in. I like the allocation of Microsoft around 11%, Nvidia 11%, and Apple 11%. But just take a look at the performance. If you look at this over the 1 year, FSPGX is up 38%. And if you look at just the life of it, which is more important to me, it's earned 18% each year annualized. So to me, that is very impressive, 18% a year. You get those low fees of 35 cents. You get a minimal dividend, not much. I'm not in it for the dividends. I want the gains long term. When you look at the 10-year chart, this was, if you're $10,000 invested, hypothetical growth would have went all the way to $40,000. And that's only from 2017 at the time of this recording, 2024. It's only 7 years, 10,000 to 40,000. If you had 100 grand, that'd be 400,000. It's an excellent investment. So I am continuing to dollar cost average $500 every single week into this fund. And when I have extra spare change, I will continue to buy more. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in and watching the channel. And definitely check out my playlists here. I have my members only playlist. I have Gemini cryptocurrency, YouTube Shorts, Fidelity Index Funds ETFs, Vanguard Investments, and there's much more. Just cycle through the playlist. You can check it out. Don't forget, click on the community tab. I post other things like my day trading gains on the year. I'm up 79,000 right now, which is awesome. Definitely appreciate that. And then sometimes I just post different things, like I have my cryptocurrency where I'm holding XRP right now, which we're up a very generous amount right now. And definitely feel free to check out the membership if you want to get some membership only videos just for you to see. Like the last